Hey guys, it's Shikha back at you with another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make bangan ka bharta, or we can say smoky eggplant curry. It's very creamy, smoky and spicy and one of my favorite Indian dishes. It's most popular dish in Punjab and it's a spiced smoky eggplant curry. It's little bit bitter and little savory with blend of spices. It's so good even if you are an eggplant fear. Trust me, you're gonna love eggplant after eating this because you not even know you are eating an eggplant. So before we are starting, let's check out the ingredients. For making bangan bharta, we need 3 large onion that I have roughly chopped, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, they are also roughly chopped, and roughly chopped around 1 teaspoon of ginger, 2 to 3 green chilies, 1 cup tomato puree, or if you are using fresh tomatoes, you need 2 large tomatoes, 1 teaspoon dried mango powder or amchur powder, half teaspoon asafoetida or hing, 1 teaspoon salt or as per your taste, half teaspoon turmeric powder or haldi, 1 tablespoon kitchen king masala, 1 tablespoon dhania powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, 3 to 4 cloves, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds or jeera, and 2 tablespoons any vegetable oil, and a large eggplant. Now let's begin the recipe. Make few cuts in the eggplant. Then place it on a baking tray. Apply some oil and apply some oil on baking tray also. So today I am going to grill it in oven. So set oven on maximum temperature and on grilled mode for about 10 to 15 minutes. Place baking tray inside oven and cook eggplant until charred and its flesh has softened. So while my eggplant is roasting, I am gonna work on tadka. So first add in around 2 tablespoon oil. When the oil begins to heat up, add in 1 teaspoon jeera or cumin seed. Then immediately add 3 to 4 cloves and roughly chopped garlic to it. And saute it until it turns slightly golden brown in color. Our garlic turns nicely golden in color. So now this is the time to add in ginger. And then add in half teaspoon hing or asafoetida and roughly chopped green chilies along with onion that we chopped roughly. We will not saute onion for so long. After adding onion, just wait for 2 to 3 minutes. We are just mixing it with ginger and garlic. We do not need to make onions really translucent. And here goes the tomatoes. Mix it well. And now add in salt according to your taste. I added 1 teaspoon. You can add in according to your taste. And here goes 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon kitchen king masala, and half teaspoon turmeric powder. I also added half teaspoon red chili powder and give it a good mix. Next I am adding 1 teaspoon amchur or dried mango powder. You can easily get it from any Indian grocery shops. Then cover the pan and let it cook on medium to low flame. Meanwhile, let's check on our eggplant. I took it out from the oven and it looks soft from inside, but we need some smoky flavor and skin on the top to be nice and blistered, and flesh inside nice and tender in the middle. So I'm going to roast it on my cooktop because it's the outer skin hasn't been very grilled yet, so we need to grill it on the cooktop. So if you have a gas cooktop, it's even easier. If not, you can also roast it on hot plate as well, just like I'm doing it right now. Keep roasting it from all sides until it's really transformed. It looks perfect now. I mean, you can see its outer crust has been grilled properly. So you can see its outer surface has completely burned. That will give us smoky flavor. So it looks perfect. Now I am taking it off. It's nicely burnt and hard from outside, and flesh inside is super duper tender. Let it cool for a while. When you are able to touch it, peel off the outer crust. You don't need to peel it completely. Just do it roughly. Then cut off the top part and mash it with the help of fork. Let's check out the tadka. You can see the oil begins to rise on the surface, and we have a beautiful orange color. Now I'm going to add my chopped eggplant, and here we go. Mix it nicely, and I'm going to cook it for additional 5 minutes with the lid on, so that the eggplant becomes bind with the spices and tomatoes. After 5 to 7 minutes, take off the lid and give it a good mix. And your bangan ka bharta is ready. You can also garnish it with coriander leaves and can pair it with any naan, plain parantha, chapatis, or even with a ball of plain rice. I hope you guys loved this video. If you did, please like and share this video. Thank you for joining me and please subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.